Very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So, we're back with our English grammar class, and today we will start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, capital letters and full stop. So children, this is an important chapter in the point of view like where and when we should put capital letters. Sometimes we get confused कि हमें capital letter इसमें लिखना है या नहीं. So that you will be able to clear out with the help of this chapter. Let's go. So this is your chapter number 4, capital letters and full stop. We know that in English there are two types of letters, that is capital letters and small letters. So this is how the capital letters looks like and this is how the small letters. Okay, हम capital में लिखते हैं, so हमारा capital का A ऐसा होता है, and if we write in small, then this is how it looks like, right? So we write with small letters, but we also use capital letters. Now let us learn the correct use of capital letters. Today is a holiday. My school is closed. Now see children, as I always tell you that when you begin a sentence, the first letter should always be in capital. Now see, today, what is the first word? Today. So first letter would be T. So this will be in capital. Similarly, this is a separate sentence. My school is closed. So M is your first one. So M would be in capital. Now, capital letters come at the beginning of a sentence. Special names also begin with capital letters. Now, other than this, that is, other than the fact that every sentence starts with a capital letter, हम यहाँ पे तो use करते हैं, but उसके अलावा भी we use capital letters where special names. For example, Madhu. So Madhu is the name of a person. In the same way, anyone's name can be like the name of my best friend is Rahul or Raj. So what will it be? The first letter over here will be in capital. So remember this, that the name also begins with a capital letter. We always write I in capital. My friends and I study in class 3. Now you might have noticed that whenever we use the word I, we use the letter I, so we never use it like this in small. Isn't it? Do we ever start a sentence और अगर बीच में भी अगर हम I word use कर रहे हैं, I letter, तो is it written like my friend and I study in class 3? No. That means this letter I is always used in capital. My friend and I study in class 3. I am a student. So कहीं पे भी I word आ रहा है, what we are doing? We are using it in capital letter only. So these are the rules that you need to remember always. It will be very useful. Now the special names that begin with capital letters are as follows. So these are all the names, all the special names in which you always have to begin with the capital letters. As I told you that इस lesson में हम ये सीखेंगे कि कौन से words को हमें capital letter से start करना हो. So the names of the persons always in capital. See, Jyoti, Mitali, whatever name it is, always the first letter is in capital. Names of days, that is Monday, Saturday, whatever the days is, that also the first letter should always be in capital. Names of months, see, February, July, August, so all these are names of months. So they always start with the first letter in capital. Names of subjects, English, arts, maths, science, whatever the subjects are, the first letter is in capital. So this is very important, children. Not only now, during your whole lifetime, this you should remember when we have to use the letters in capital. Okay, अगर आपको confusion हो, so this is, you can keep it always with you. And I would suggest you for this chapter, you do it in your grammar notebook. Okay, so next, names of the countries and cities. Now these names, that is India, Japan, these are the countries. And if I talk about cities, Delhi, Ahmedabad, so all these also, the first letter is in capital. See? Now the names of schools, modern school, model high school or Christ school. So the first letter is always in capital. You see? Modern school. It is in capital. Names of rivers, seas. Yamuna, Red Sea. So these names of the rivers are also always begin with the capital letter. Names of festivals. Holi, Onam, Eid, Christmas, Diwali. So these festivals also always remember to start with the first letter in the capital. Okay, children? So all these are rules which you need to remember. And I want you to write this in your notebook. All this is in your textbook. You have to copy it in your notebook. Now the first one, see. Now the exercise is a bit simple. Rewrite these sentences using capital letters where you think they are necessary. Okay. The dog is barking loudly. So, I will not write, it's very easy. What you have to do, you can see that in the first word only, they have not written T in capital. उन्हें T capital में नहीं लिखा है. So, what you have to write? The dog is barking loudly. So, only the change is there in this one. I will be late for my school. What do you see? They have written the first word I in small. And I तो हम कभी भी small में नहीं लिखते. So, it will be in capital. Divya is my best friend. Now see, the first letter D of Divya, it is not in capital. So again, Divya is my best friend. Now in this one, see, she stays in Delhi. So I think there are two words in which we need capital. One is the first one, she. Okay, she be capital mein hoga as why? Because it is the first word of the sentence. She stays in Delhi. So you see, the word Delhi, it is written in small. D जो है वो small में लिखा है, that we will write in capital. I am only writing the changes, but you have to write the whole sentence, okay? She stays in Delhi. Divya is my best friend, with a full stop wherever required. I study in modern public school. So again, what do you see? I. I is not written in capital, so we will write I in capital. And do you think any other changes? Yes, modern public school. So the first letters of the modern public school, that is M over here, P over here and S over here. This will be in capital. So you have to write in this way. I study in, and the capital M, modern public school. Is that clear? So in the same way, you have to complete this. We have already completed it. I hope it's clear to all of you children. And the remaining, the next topic, that is full stop, that we'll keep it for the next class. Okay? So, take care of your health. I hope the topic is clear. It's very easy, capital letters and full stop. So, complete your books and goodbye students. May God bless.